Well, tonight we're gonna take a look at the XLF 650. I think we got a bent drive shaft. Waiting for a servo and a receiver for the Dumbo to come in. The ESC that was on this just died. Where it was broken, you could see there that mess. I tried several times to resolder it and get it right, but it's just not. And I'm not going to blow up this thing for the CSE. Now, this thing was pretty good, and I love the controller on it, so I'm a little upset because out of all the 1/14 scale I got, this came with the best ESC and best controlling controller. Anyways, so we're going to go with the Dumbo and get her back to where she's supposed to be. This is my basher, so that's why I haven't really been bashing as much as my daughter has. She's been killing it, doing real good. Anyways, I'm gonna get set up and we'll take this apart and see what's wrong with her. This thing just kind of, well, let me see if I can show you. See how maybe it's wrong. It's rough, so I'll take it apart and see what we can do. All right, I'll be back soon. So it's the first time I'm going to take her apart. I haven't had to because normally there's something else going on with it. This is the XLF Sport 18 F650, I think is the model, but they use it F650 in all of them. Probably gonna listen to the some live streams while I'm doing this, so I'll probably fast forward through ripping apart and then come back and talk to you a little bit. What's going on with this thing is I think either the diff is bent or one of these dog bones is toast. Hopefully it's just a dog bone. It'd be a lot easier to deal with. Just so you know where this is, this was an XLF 650. The ESC crapped to bed, I think I mentioned it earlier. I took all the metal arms off it, put WL arms on it, cut down the ones that come with it for the front, worked fine. The back, I used an actual Jabetis. They don't even have bearings in them. Like, this is my basher, so it's a tricker. You know, it kind of does, it does, it's not fast, but it's pretty durable. So, I beat the crap out of it. It's got wheelie bars and bumpers. But it's got Jabetis rear cups in it, or the, I don't remember what the company is. It's a $45 1/14 scale. I use it for parts when I really have to. Anyways, so I'll start by taking the wheels off, taking this rear end apart and see what that diff looks like, and we'll go from there. Again, I'll probably start fast forwarding from here and listen to it. So this is what I've decided to do. These are the Jabetus collars. These are standard WLs. Standard WLs with a shorter dog bone. So the Jabetus dog bones are a little shorter. See that? So with the Jabetus dog bones, because the way this collar sticks out, and the WL back ends for the dog bones, it actually looks pretty good. So I'm probably gonna put, because it doesn't look like anything else is wrong with it other than it's pushing wrong. You know, it seems like it's actually gonna do more and more damage because these are sloppy to begin with. I don't know if there's a way to fix that. It's just these are really heavy duty, so I think this is meant to have a lot of stress on it in general. That's why they come with all that metal. Anyways, I think this might be the best solution in the end. I don't know why I didn't do that to begin with. Maybe I didn't have any at the time when I went to the Jabetus ones. I don't know. I have to look back at my old videos or something. But I think if I have some extras. I've been kind of collecting normal parts that are, and I'm fixing my dog bones. Anyways, I've been trying to collect more and more of them, so I have spares. Like buying two when they're on sale. Like they do go on sale all the time, and these are all LC Racing. Oh wait, this one's WL. So yeah. Yeah, see, there's another pack of them. Anyway, so I'm going to plop those in, go back to fast forwarding through it, and get her buttoned up until we get some electronics. I could probably do a test rip with it, see where it goes. Back to the news. All right, I'm back. I got bearings coming for this. Changed out to the WL, and I'm going to need probably cups as well because these, I remembered why I went that way. I couldn't fit the pins in there, so. But I think I can now. I changed some stuff around. Anyways, it's about where we're going to stop today on this car. And I'll be back to it when the parts show up. But I think I figured out, you know, like, that spin's nice. The diff is nice. The metal's nice in there. Yeah, I can work with this. So hopefully this bash will be up and running next week. Next week we start some 45-degree weather, so I'll be outside a lot more. At least a week of it is what it sounds like. Means I'll be working. Fun. Anyways, I can't wait, actually. Yeah. So that's where we're at. I know I didn't get much done, but I had to take it apart to see what was. The diff is fine. I think it's just sloppy collars, and once I get the WL rear end put back on this, it'll be okay. I did have the metal ones prior, and it was scraping, so I got some plastic ones now, so if I have to, I'll shim or shave them. You know, this is a one-off kind of project. Anyways, she's going back up on the wall for now. Subscribe.